Okay, so good evening. Can you guys hear my voice and see my screen? Hello? Okay. So can you guys see my screen? Okay. So let's start today's training. So today's topic is about the OPCUA server for AC65 660, sorry, 60. Today's training will we have three parts for today's training. The first part is about what is OPCUA. I will introduce the OPCUA protocol to you. And the second part is about the OPCUA server setting of our PLC. And the final part, I will introduce a third part, OPCUA client UX part for you. You can learn how to use it and how to connect it with our PLC. So let's start the first part. What's OPCUA? OPCUA is a simple nowadays the OPCUA is a simple protocol for connect your PLC and your SCADA. Many bands support OPCUA now, such as Siemens, Beckhoff, and Omron, and Closys just all six AC series. Yeah. So use the OPCUA protocol is enable our PLC to connect more hosters, such as if like before, our PLC connect with the SCADA didn't support our Wecon protocol. You maybe need use the Modbus, and the Modbus the address is not very user friendly. Yeah, you must to define the address what address for what. But if you use OPCUA, you can create the tag yourself, and it make your connected your control is more user friendly. So like Modbus TCP, OPCUA always have the master and the slave too. We call them client and server. The client, just like the master, we use the client to read and write the value to the server. Yeah. For now, our PLC can just act as the OPCUA server. Then maybe sometimes your customer need some cloud SCADA or some local SCADA. If it supports the OPCUA, you can use this protocol to control your system better. Yeah. So just like this picture, our PLC can control your machine, and it can send the work state of your machine to the hoster, your own SCADA, by this protocol. Okay, so let's begin the second part. How can we use it? First, we need to create the tag in our project. Is the first step about our communication. Yeah, create your own project and create the tags just like other project. Yeah. And the second part, you need right click the application and add the object. Simple configuration. After you click it, you can see this page. This is a setting to enable the OPCUA protocol. After you click it, your PLC will act as the OPCUA server. Okay, so now we use the AC6 AC6C, and for now only the DD module can support the OPCUA server. OPCUA server, yeah. So back to our topic. If maybe someone need to use the OPCUA protocol after he creates the sample configuration. Just like we know before, if we use the Codesys v3 protocol, we also need to add the sample configuration. Maybe you have some question if I need use the OPCUA protocol and Codesys v3 protocol. Is necessary? Is it necessary? I need to create two sample configuration at the same time. It's not. You can find the enable setting in the sample configuration you created before. So it's very easy. Yeah. Okay. After we create the sample configuration, then we can choose the tag we need to use in our protocol. Such as in this demo, I create all tag in my main project. My main project, yeah. And after I click them, I can scan all of them in our OPCUA client. Okay, this is all the setting of our OPCUA server. And next is about the OPCUA client. Just like I said, our AC series PLC can only act as the OPCUA server. So if we need client to check the communication, we can use some third party clients, just like this client in my screen, UExpert. After this class, I will send the software into our group, and you can download it to test it. After you open the UExpert, you can click the Add Server and enter the sorry. Okay. Um, you can enter the software and add server and enter your PLC IP. Then choose the now and and sorry, how sir? If you guys have any question, you can send in our chat windows. Okay. So I continue this topic. Yeah.
Buenas a la estación. Yeah. Buenos días.
So after we add the server to our client, you can just click the plug icon to connect the server and control your bits, control your text in our client. So now I use some I use my POC to show you some example. Suppose we connect our POC. It's a AC600808 MT DD model. And then we create some tag, such as variable one is a bool, and variable two such as int, and variable three bool. Variable five real, yeah, and then I build it, and into our simple configuration page. First, check I enable the OPCUA protocol. Then choose the text we need. Variable one, variable two, variable three. Click all of them and build again. Then we log in our POC and download this project into our POC. And then, sorry. And then we open our UX expert, our client project, our client. And at the server, click this icon to add the server. And into our POC IP. And then you can see the OPCUA server here. And choose it. And click the connect to link it. And then you can find the tag in the tag tree. The 1, 2, 3, and 4. Uh, yeah, okay. In fact, uh, after we create the tag in our ST language, and we such as we create a new tag, ref, and we create build. And you can see the new tag is in our sample configuration. You just need to click it, and you can use it in the OPCUA. Yeah, wait a moment. Let's log in again. Sorry. Yeah. And you can see the tag we just create is in our client. So after you add them into our client, you can control them and view them. Such as I change the value in client, and the server will change. Yeah, you can see very faster. Yeah. So that's all I want to show today. Do you guys have any question? Okay, sure. Um, but my project is is a leader, not a ST. So I create a lead. I create here. So you can see I change this to 0 first. And after I set the value, set the value for the variable one, and this function will start. Yeah.